If you're over 60, does the thought of a simple slip or fall ever keep you up at night? For many, a fracture isn't just an injury, it's a threat to their independence. We're often told to drink more milk or take calcium pills, but what if the most powerful tool for your bones was actually a sweet, natural snack sitting right in your pantry? Today, I'm revealing the one superfood that can help rebuild your bone density, and no, it's not what you're expecting. We're talking about dates. Often dismissed as just a sweet treat, dates are actually a nutritional powerhouse for the aging body. Think of your bones like a mineral bank account. After 60, your body starts making more withdrawals than deposits. Dates help flip that script. They are packed with a specific combination of minerals that work together to keep your skeletal system from becoming brittle and fragile. Most people focus only on calcium, but calcium can't do the job alone. It needs a support team. Dates provide calcium for structure, phosphorus for hardness, and most importantly, magnesium. Without enough magnesium, your body simply cannot absorb the calcium you eat. By snacking on dates, you're providing the exact building blocks your system needs to repair old bone tissue and keep your frame sturdy. The benefits go far beyond just your bones. For those over 60, heart health and digestion are top priorities. The high fiber content in dates supports a healthy gut and prevents constipation, while the potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Recent studies even suggest that the unique antioxidants found in dates may help reduce brain inflammation, potentially protecting your memory and cognitive health as you age. Now, you might be wondering about the sugar. While dates are sweet, they have a low to medium glycemic index. This means the fiber slows down sugar absorption, giving you steady energy instead of a sudden spike. For the best results, aim for 2 to 4 dates a day. You can enjoy them as a midday snack with a few walnuts, or chop them into your morning oatmeal for a natural nutrient boost. Taking care of your bones is about more than health. It's about staying active and independent for years to come. Start adding this small but mighty fruit to your routine today and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more science-backed tips on aging well. What's your favorite healthy snack? Let me know in the comments below. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.